Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to showcase that will revolutionize the way you diagnose and troubleshoot vehicle issues. It's the highly anticipated Launch X431 Pro 5 scan tool, your ultimate companion for seamless and accurate automotive diagnostics. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to make your life easier and your car maintenance more efficient. Let's get started. Let's kick off our review with an overview of the Launch X431 Pro 5 scan tool. This state-of-the-art diagnostic tool boasts an impressive array of features that sets it apart from the competition. It comes with a large, user-friendly touchscreen interface, allowing for smooth navigation and intuitive operation. The Launch X431 Pro 5 scan tool is a comprehensive diagnostic tool that can be used to diagnose a wide range of vehicle problems. It is compatible with over 10,000 car models from over 80 brands, including American, European, and Asian vehicles. The X431 Pro 5 offers a wide range of features including bi-directional control active test, 2-year free update easy to update via Wi-Fi, oil reset service function, EPB service function, ABS service functions, all systems diagnostics, DPF regeneration function, steering angle calibration, IMO service function, battery maintenance system reset, injector coating function, 50+ maintenance functions prepare technicians for solving all kinds of problems, 4-in-1 Smartbox OEM J2534 programming OS software, advanced ECU coding functions. The X431 Pro 5 is a powerful diagnostic tool that can be used to diagnose a wide range of vehicle problems. It is easy to use and comes with a wide range of features, making it a valuable tool for any automotive technician. Here are some pros and cons of the Launch X431 Pro 5 scan tool. Pros: wide range of compatibility, advanced diagnostic features, user-friendly interface, wireless connectivity, lifetime free updates. Cons: expensive scan tool. Some features may not be available for all vehicles. Software can be buggy. Overall, the Launch X431 Pro 5 is a powerful and versatile scan tool that offers a wide range of features and compatibility. It is a good choice for professional mechanics or DIYers who need a powerful diagnostic tool. However, the tool is relatively expensive and has a learning curve. We're diving deep into the features and capabilities of the Autel MaxiCheck MX900 OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or a professional technician, this scanner might just be the tool you need to take your vehicle diagnostics to the next level. So, let's get started. Here it is, the Autel MaxiCheck MX900 OBD2 scanner. This compact and ergonomic tool is designed to provide comprehensive diagnostics for a wide range of vehicles, both domestic and foreign. Here are some of the key features of Autel MaxiCheck MX900. Full system diagnosis, active test bi-directional control, 40+ service function, auto VIN and auto scan. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Autel MaxiCheck MX900. Pros: advanced diagnostics, advanced features, easy to use, wide vehicle coverage. Cons: can be expensive, not as user-friendly. Some features may not be available. Overall, the Autel MaxiCheck MX900 is a powerful and versatile OBD2 scanner that offers a wide range of features and benefits. It is a good choice for professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts who need a scanner that can diagnose all systems of most vehicles. However, it is important to be aware of the potential drawbacks before making a purchase. We're talking about the OTOFIX I'm1 professional car key programming scan tool. If you've ever experienced the frustration of dealing with car key issues, you'll want to stick around to see what this tool can do for you. Let's get started. The OTOFIX I'm1 professional car key programming scan tool. It's a sleek and powerful device designed to make key programming a breeze for mechanics, locksmiths, and even DIY enthusiasts like you and me. Here are some additional features of the OTOFIX I'm1. Basic diagnostic functions, all system diagnosis, 40+ service functions, 7 LCD capacitive touchscreen with 1280x800 resolution, key programming connect the tablet, advanced IMO functions, support multi-languages, 2 years free updates. The OTOFIX I'm1 is a powerful and versatile key programming tool that can be used to diagnose and program a wide range of vehicles. It is a valuable tool for professional locksmiths and technicians who need to be able to quickly and easily solve key programming problems. Here are some pros and cons of the OTOFIX I'm1. Pros: supports a wide range of car brands and models. Easy to use, with guided menus and instructions. Affordable, portable, and lightweight. Includes a variety of diagnostic and programming functions. Cons: some advanced features require payment. Not as powerful as some other key programmers. The software can be buggy at times. Overall, the OTOFIX I'm1 is a good option for locksmiths and deers who need a basic key programmer. It is affordable, easy to use, and supports a wide range of vehicles. However, if you need a more powerful key programmer with all the bells and whistles, you may want to consider a different option. Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. This is a great tool for anyone who wants to diagnose their car's problems and clear the check engine light. An OBD2 scanner is a device that plugs into your car's diagnostic port and allows you to read the codes that are stored in the car's computer. These codes can tell you what's wrong with your car, and they can also be used to clear the check engine light. The Foxwell NT301 is a budget-friendly OBD2 scanner that offers a lot of features for the price. It can read and clear codes, display live data, and perform a variety of other diagnostic tests. Here are some of the features of the Foxwell NT301. Reads and clears codes, displays live data, performs a variety of diagnostic tests, compatible with most cars made since 1996. One-click IM reading, support multi-languages, simple and fast battery test, early warning systems, keep the car in good condition, free update forever. There are a number of benefits to using the Foxwell NT301. You can diagnose your car's problems yourself. You can save money on diagnostic fees. You can clear the check engine light. Make sure that the scanner is compatible with your car before you buy it. Read the instructions carefully before you use the scanner. Keep the scanner in a safe place when you're not using it. Update the scanner's firmware regularly to ensure that it's compatible with the latest car models. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide range of compatibility, can read and clear codes, displays live data, performs a variety of diagnostic tests, updates firmware regularly. Cons: not as powerful as some other OBD2 scanners. Some users have reported that the scanner is not always accurate. The display can be a bit small. Overall, the Foxwell NT301 is a great OBD2 scanner for the price. It offers a lot of features for a budget-friendly price, and it's easy to use. If you're looking for a way to diagnose your car's problems and clear the check engine light, the Foxwell NT301 is a great option. innova 5410 OBD2 scanner, a powerful tool designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot issues with your car. If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants to save on repair costs, this scanner might be just what you need. So, let's get started. The innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is a mid-range diagnostic tool that can be used to scan and clear trouble codes, retrieve live data, and reset various vehicle systems. It is compatible with most vehicles made since 1996 and supports English, Spanish, and French. Alright, let's start with the unboxing of the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner. As you can see, it comes in a sturdy and well-packaged box. Upon opening it, we find the scanner itself, along with a user manual and a USB cable for connecting it to a computer. The scanner looks sleek and compact, perfect for easy handling. Here are some additional features of the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner. First and foremost, it's an OBD2 scanner, which means it works with all OBD2 compliant vehicles manufactured from 1996 onwards. This covers a vast majority of cars on the road today. The scanner offers a variety of functions, such as reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes (DTCs), checking engine light status, and accessing freeze frame data. It also provides live data streaming, which allows you to monitor real-time information from various sensors in your vehicle. Another notable feature is its compatibility with multiple protocols, including CAN, ISO, and PWM. This means you can use it with various car makes and models without any compatibility issues. One thing that really impressed us during our testing was how user-friendly the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is. To use it, simply plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. Once connected, turn on the ignition, and the scanner will automatically power up. Navigating through the menu is intuitive thanks to its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a car expert, you'll find it easy to access the different functions and get the information you need. Beyond the basic functions, the innova 5410 goes a step further with advanced diagnostics. It provides access to the Repair Solutions 2 app, available for both Android and iOS devices. With this app, you can not only get detailed explanations for the trouble codes, but also access a vast database of fixes and solutions contributed by experienced mechanics. Firmware updates are essential to ensure your scanner stays up to date with the latest vehicle models and improvements. Innova offers regular firmware updates that can be easily installed using the included USB cable and a computer. Here are some pros and cons of the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner. Pros: easy to use, wide vehicle coverage, comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, live data streaming, ability to reset codes and perform maintenance functions, free lifetime updates. Cons: no case included, not the most powerful OBD2 scanner on the market. Some users have reported inaccurate readings. Overall, the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is a good option for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts who want a reliable and easy-to-use tool for diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle problems. It has a wide range of features, including live data streaming, code reading and clearing, and maintenance reset functions. It is also compatible with a wide range of vehicles. If you're looking for a diagnostic tool that can help you troubleshoot problems with your car, the innova 5410 OBD2 scanner is a great option. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.